Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamma ghani to all of you. Welcome bachcho, and as you all know, today is a very special class, that is your VIP series. VIP series means aisa nahi hai ki this is a paid series, only VIP students are allowed here, nothing like that. Okay, VIP series means very important problems. All right, so we are doing this VIP series. This is for CBSE 9th, and the topic for today is polynomials. So we'll be discussing the important questions of the topic polynomials. And before I move ahead, let me tell you all about Vedantus Pro subscription, which is going to be a very useful part of, or a very useful subscription plan for all of you, those who are those who want to increase their marks, or those who want to have a conceptual clarity. So what are the features you are going to get with this part is, the first thing is you will be getting unlimited live classes. You'll be able to attend as many live classes as you want, and all the classes are going to be fun level, fun filled high level quizzes. All right. Second thing is different students from different parts of the world. So obviously interaction, and you'll get to know about them. And obviously when you interact with different students from the different parts of the world, obviously you'll be growing your personality as well. The third thing is your interactive replay. That means when you watch the recording of a session, even while watching the recording, for example, you missed your session. For example, let us say you missed your session because of some reason, or your live session. So in that case, you can watch the recording of that session. That also is, first thing, is a very good part, because in school you will not be able to tell your teacher, sir, please can you record, and I'm going on leave, so please record a session. That will not happen. All right, but here you can watch the recording. But even in that, while watching the recording also, you will be able to attend the quiz. You'll be able to get the marks for those quizzes, and you'll be able to see your name in the leaderboard if you'll do good enough. That means you will not feel that you're watching a recording, and you'll feel like that, okay, you are in a live class. All right, then you will be able to download the notes. Whatever I'm teaching you, that notes will be downloadable, so no need to say write thousands of pages. Those notes are downloadable. Only make your short notes if you want. And then doubts solved by a dedicated teacher. In every class you are going to attend, there will be a dedicated teacher to take care of your doubts. Tests taken in a regular interval of time, and assignments shared after each and every session. All right, and again, other than that, there are 5,000 plus micro courses. Micro courses means topic specific course, so they are on the different small topics. Micro courses, they are based on different small topics. So whatever topic you are facing difficulty, you just take that course and finish that part. All right, other than that, any revision course is there, that also is going to be free of cost for you. No one is going to charge you anything extra for it. So for that, beta, for that you need to go to the link which is mentioned in the description box of this video, as well as in the pinned comment. All right, and use the code GPE Pro to get 20% off. All right, to get 20% off. For example, what you can do over here is, let's say this is the video over here. All right, now in this video, if you look at the description box, in the comment section there is one comment section pinned, right? All right, so in this part, subscribe to Vedantu Pro now. This is one link is given over here. Click on this link, or in the description box you can see over here as well, subscribe to Vedantu Pro now. Then click on this part. Once you have clicked over here, now you'll be seeing 1 month or till what you want to go. All right, so there you can select your part. Wait a second, I think, just a second. ठीक है, so you can go for 1 month courses if you want, or you can go up to till March 2022 as well. All right, so anything you can go for. Suppose if you'll go for the 1 month course, click on proceed to pay, and here if you'll apply the coupon code GPE Pro, it will give you rupees 2160 per month. So you can try it for 1 month, and later when you feel that it is the really a good thing, whatever teachers are saying, it is really true, you can take the course for the whole year. This will save you a lot of money in the meantime. All right, so when you'll be taking this course, what you can see over here is, all right, what you can really be seeing over here is that this is how you'll be able to see your schedule. This is how you'll be able to see your schedule. And if you'll go to the past sessions, then you can see, you can download notes from here. Click on get notes, and you'll be able to see the notes of the past sessions. All right, here, as you, all of this you can see. You can also watch the recording by clicking on this watch replay button. So when you click on this replay, this is how you'll see the recording. Click on try alternate replay and you can clearly see this is your student interface. Here you'll be able to see your options whenever I start the quiz, and you'll be able to answer them as well. Alright, now let's move ahead with today's very important problems. The first one, find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x equal to 0, x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 2. Alright, so first one, let's find out at x equal to 0. So let's say it is a polynomial px. So I can say sir, p at x equal to 0, p0 will be equal to 5 into 0, 0 minus 4 into 0 square is 0 plus 3, which is equal to 3. So p0 is equal to 3. Second option, value of polynomial at x equal to minus 1 will be 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 square plus 3, which is minus 5. Minus 1 square is 1 into minus 4 plus 3. So minus 9 plus 3 is equal to minus 6. And then the third one, I can say value of the polynomial at x equal to 2 will be equal to 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 square plus 3. 5 2s are 10. 2 square is 4. 4 into minus 4 is 16 plus 3. 13. 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 minus 16 is minus 3. So these are your answers, as you can clearly see. Alright. So value of the polynomial, this is how you can find out very easily. Yep, is it clear? Alright. Next question. Verify whether the following are the zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. That means if I have a polynomial, suppose the first one, polynomial px is 5x minus pi. Now they are asking me that see whether this x is equal to 4 by 5 is the zero of this polynomial or not. So I will say value of this polynomial at x equal to 4 by 5 will be 5 into 4 by 5 minus pi. 5 to 5 got cancelled. We have got 4 minus pi. And 4 minus pi is not equal to 0. Since it is not equal to 0, we can say x equal to 4 by 5 is not a 0 of this polynomial. It is not a 0. Now in the second case, we have px, polynomial is as x plus 1 into x minus 2. Now if I put x equal to minus 1, so p of minus 1 will be equal to here minus 1 plus 1 and here minus 1 minus 2. So minus 1 plus 1 is 0 into minus 3, which is equal to 0. That means yes sir, value of the polynomial at x equal to minus 1, value of the polynomial p minus 1 is equal to 0. So x equal to minus 1 is a 0 of this polynomial. Similarly, value of this polynomial at x equal to 2 will be 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 2, which is again 3 into 0, which is again equal to 0. So yes sir, x equal to 2 is also a 0 of the polynomial, because value of the polynomial at x equal to 2 is equal to 0. Simple. Alright, so we know the 0 of the polynomial means that value of the variable where the value of the polynomial becomes 0. Easy, eh? Alright, then next part, show that 5 is a 0 of the polynomial 2x cube minus 7x square plus 16x, minus 16x plus 5. I have to show it. So I can say that if x equal to 5 is a 0 of px, okay, that means what? That p of 5 should be equal to 0. Value of the polynomial at x equal to 5 must be 0. Let's see what is p of 5. Value of the polynomial at x equal to 5. So it will be 2 into 5 cube minus 7 into 5 square minus 16 into 5 plus 5. 5 cube is 125 into 2 is 250. 5 square is 25 into minus 7 is minus 175. Minus 16 into 5 is minus 80, and here you have got plus 5. So 250 plus 5 is 255, and minus 175 minus 80 will be minus 255, which is equal to 0. So we got to know that value of the polynomial at x equal to 5 is equal to 0. So I can say x equal to 5 is a 0 of polynomial px. Simple. Alright. Okay? So this is how this question will also be done. Alright. Next question. Use factor theorem to determine whether gx is a factor of px. So we have to use the factor theorem, and I know that if px divided by gx, I can say gx is a factor factor if remainder in this division will be equal to 0. And we know remainder will be, we can easily just find out that what will be the remainder. So if remainder is equal to 0, I can say gx is a factor. ठीक है, तो I can say for factor theorem we will see कि sir first thing let's make the divisor equal to 0. First part, so gx make it equal to 0, that means x minus 3 is equal to 0, that means x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Now the second step, find out the value of this polynomial px at x equal to 3. So we can say it will be 3 cube minus 4 into 3 square plus 3 plus 6. 3 cube is 27, 3 square is 9 into minus 4 is minus 36, plus 3 plus 6 is plus 9. 27 plus 9 is 36 minus 36. That means value of the polynomial at x equal to 3 is equal to 0. So if it is equal to 0, that means here remainder, this is nothing but remainder. Using this part, remainder is equal to 0, and hence remainder is equal to 0, we can clearly say that gx is a factor of px. है ना भाई? First step, make divisor equal to 0. I can say now in the second step, so remainder will be equal to value of the polynomial px at x equal to 3. So the remainder value is equal to 0, that means gx is a factor of px. As simple as that. Simple. Alright. Before I go for the next part, there is a very important announcement which I need to make. That is your vote. Vedantu online talent examination. A wonderful opportunity for all of you. Yaad rakhna beta, this is not just an examination, but it is your comeback. How this is your comeback, how this exam is going to help you all understand this thing. But as all of you know, the last year 2020 was a year where all of us faced a setback, be it academically, be it emotionally. Anyway, we felt we were captured for the first time, and there was no freedom to move out, all that. There was a risk, the whole pandemic is going on, the world is collapsing, all those things. And it really impacted the learning of the students as well. It really impacted the learning of the students as well, because many students, where they went for online education, where the schools were not competent enough to teach them in a way online like what Vedantu can do. So there also students faced a setback in the learning part, because schools, they were not able to provide you the quizzes and all what you'll be getting it in Vedantu's classes, right? So that was a setback over there. And student, really I'm telling you, if you'll be telling me now, for suppose say for grade 10th, not many, like many students are not as confident for giving the boards as the other students, as the students in our normal year happens, right? Because normally students will go to school and coaching and all that they'll do, and they'll be much confident, but this time they are not that confident. And to get their confidence back in the examinations, the best thing right now is to first diagnose the problem, that what is the solution to this problem. Before I find out the solution, first I need to find out what is the problem here. So to get to know the problem, this vote is going to help you all, because the vote is a very systematic examination to see where do you lack. Once we identify the problem, then it is very easy, it is in your hands to work on that problem. All right, so with vote, I have pledged already to make your comeback work, and from this moment your comeback will start. Trust me on this, because with vote, what you are going to get it, there is a comprehensive assessment exam. Okay, assessment exam comprehensive, to find bespoke opportunities and take their learning to the next level. What you are going to get: all India rank, subject wise rank, state wise rank, question level, and time analysis. Now see, ranks will tell you that where do you stand. Subject wise rank will tell you that in which subject where do you stand, and subject wise analysis also will tell you that okay, which subject what you are doing. Question level analysis will tell you that in this question normally the students are spending this much time, you have spent more, or this was a hard question which you have also solved correctly, and if you have made this question wrong, which chapter you need to focus more. All these detailed information you are going to get with vote. The prizes what you can get over here: first thing, you may get a chance to go to get a trip to NASA, all expenses paid, trip to NASA. Then daily prices, microscope, telescope, laptops, okay, drones, all these things for the daily prices by taking up the daily challenges. And the best one, get to put on your thinking hats and be the CEO of Vedantu for a day. All right, you can be the CEO of Vedantu for a day if you perform good enough. These are the best price. This price, the CEO, being a CEO of Vedantu for a day, this is the price like out of this world, right? All right, so these all big opportunity you can get. For that, you need to download the app. You'll be able to see the daily quizzes and everything. And for more information, go to this link vedantu.com/vote. Go there, register for it, create your voter ID. All right, select your name, grade, all that. Your voter ID will be ready. Now you can give the exam on 28th March. The vote exam will be held on 4 days: 28th March, 4th April, 11th April, and 18th April. You can choose to give the exam on any one day, or any 2 days, or any 3 days, or on all of the days. The more exams you will be giving, the more times you will give the exams, the more chances you have to get bigger prizes. All right, so these are the main prizes as well as the daily weekly challenges as well. All right, so for grade 8 to 9, for your section, for grade 9, this will be a MAT. The examination pattern will be based on MAT, that is mental ability. 40 questions will be there. For each question, correct question +4, for a wrong question -1. That means there is a negative marking as well, and 60 minutes time duration for you all to give that examination. All right, amazing questions, MAT questions. They are going to you'll be able to see that where do you stand your mental ability, as the subject tells you, mental ability. It will find out that what kind of analytical skills you have, what kind of solving skills you have. All right, also make your squad, let your friends also join your squad, and you can compete and win bigger prizes by playing the daily challenges. So do register for this vote, and this time all the children of India should vote. All right, okay, so the next question now. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of px in the following case. So if x minus 1 is a factor, x minus 1 is a factor. If it is a factor, I know using factor theorem the remainder must be 0. Remainder must be 0. So I can say that means, sir, remainder must be equal to 0. So when I divide px, this polynomial, with x minus 1, remainder must be equal to 0. So how do I get remainder? Step 1, make divisor equal to 0. X minus 1 equal to 0, you got x equal to 1. Step 2, remainder will be equal to value of this polynomial at x equal to 1. That means k into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus k. Beta, I know since it is a factor, remainder is equal to 0. So this k into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus k is equal to 0. Alright, so k minus 3 plus k equal to 0. So 2k minus 3 equal to 0. We got k is equal to 3 by 2. K is equal to what? 3 by 2. As simple as that. If x minus 1 is a factor, remainder must be equal to 0. For remainder, make x minus 1 equal to 0, you have got x equal to 1. So value of the polynomial at x equal to 1 will give you your remainder, and we know remainder is equal to 0. So k into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus k is equal to 0. Alright, this is how this question will be solved. So why I am writing this equal to 0? Because we know x minus 1 is a factor of px, and if we divide a polynomial by its factor, remainder must be equal to 0. That is the main concept involved over here. Alright, next part, factorize this part. Now I can clearly see 4x square is a perfect square, so it is 2x whole square plus 3y whole square plus 4z whole square. Now 12xy I can write as 2 into 2x into 3y. 2 into 2 is 4, into 3 is 12, minus, okay, now I have got the negatives as well. Now see, x and y both were positive. Now z, wherever the z is present, that part is negative. That part is negative. So instead of 4z square, I will write it as minus 4z whole square. Because then I can say कि sir after that it will be plus 2 times of 3y into minus 4z, and here my plus 2 times of 2x into minus 4z. Alright, so a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca will be equal to a plus b plus c whole square. Plus into minus is minus, so it will be 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square. Alright, this is how you will do the factorization. Simple, using identities. We have used identities but nothing else. Alright, next part, factorize 2x square plus 7x plus 3. So obviously we need to split the middle term. So I can say the splitting should be done in such a way such that addition is equal to b and multiplication is equal to a into c. So here in this question, a coefficient of x square is 2, b coefficient of x is 7, constant term is 3. So I can say I want two numbers such that their addition is 7 and their multiplication is 2 into 3, 6. So obviously numbers are 6 and 1, 6 and 1. So I can say that 2x square plus 7x plus 3, I can write it as 2x square plus 6x plus x plus 3. Now here take 2x common, you are left with x plus 3. Here take plus 1 common, you are left with x plus 3. Take x plus 3 common, you are left with 2x plus 1. This is my factorization of this polynomial, x plus 3 into 2x plus 1. Alright beta, this is how this question will be done. Okay, so this is all from my side in today's class. Remember beta, as I have told you, Vedantu Pro subscription is available now at 20% off by using the coupon code GPE Pro, and you can do wonders with that subscription. That is definitely going to help you with your studies. Also, vote is also available. So this is the price for session 2022. All right, for pro price, this is for 1 month and this is for the whole year. But if you apply GPE Pro, you will get 20% off. Okay, and you can clearly see the price per month will be reducing a lot with this price. All right, so this is all in this class beta here. Okay, so price is again a very genuine price. If you will be seeing this is 2160 or this much, so this is for the whole year, and throughout the year if you will do a systematic approach to your studies, do you know how much it will be helpful for you all. So that's a very good time right now to go for this course. All right, and yeah, waiting for you all to join over here. All right, so thank you so much bachcho for joining the classes, and I'll see you soon in the next class. Please don't forget to like the video, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Sayonara, Khuda Hafiz to all of you. Bye bye.